Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka State Planning Board haringkat ban katnat PWD roads hakakat kanai trik nailar aja apasan kila de banjurip ke Surok apa Shillong ke badang sedang shna pinbaha muntah. Ka jinjurip kelas sedang nadu shetpi ter hasau mer san mer bat lapun kutpat ha flyover ke badan ha pomlum PHC hak jinon lang ki officer ke NHI DCL bat kiwi de. Habakran Sheikh Lapathai Kubor uba Metbah Lingdo Chairman ke State Planning Board Ulaong bahakapor baka IT ke kam syaki kontraktor ling baka tenat PWD bat ling ba ke NHI DCL ke kam ke yait state bha hendai mintapat ke kam ke yait suki bha Ulaong bana kaliang ke tenat ke lebu arsnam ban Pyndep bikin ke Surok bat na kaliang ki bapet yu ke jing pentre yakin ke Surok ki yetho bha ubnai Nohprah arajar arpasan kin Pyndep no Ngidon ke jing Artatien hendai kini kinong pet ban shnai yakin ke Surok kila Kular ban Pyndep no ha ubnai Nohprah la bendrap uba Metbah Lingdo
Here we are constructing this 50 meter bridge. This existing road we will use and parallelly alongside we will construct 2-lane road over this bridge. Welding work is going on, sir. After welding is completed, then we will erect the formwork and then plug. So we are targeting it by the end of October. We have already placed gutter, everything, sir. This welding process almost completed, sir. Just we have to provide formwork and fix the welding. What is the time to be? This time is pretty quiet, sir. Going on the road. And moreover, sir, all the structure on this road has been completed, sir. Either completed or nearly completed, sir. Only road work is remaining. And that we will immediately start once the rain is over, sir. Because of ongoing rainy season, we are not able to get
see small walk like the junction to Shillong Peak. That junction to Shillong Peak, Nohprah, and towards 7 Mile. That junction, till now we have not completed that. Cutting of it's more than 2 months. You will go to the side and see.
Sir.
So, but immediately we will like to know what is that. I don't know what it is.
Actually, sir, for this project 2 years was allotted, and the contractor has reached third milestone corresponding to financial progress of 60% on time only. So everything is progressing as per schedule only, and we are quite hopeful that we will complete this project by end of December. 100% it will be completed. You will see the change within 2-3 months because since it is ongoing rainy season, so we are not able to complete road portion. Otherwise, structure part we have mostly completed. All the retaining wall and other things, bridges and everything, culverts, we have completed, sir. Only road part we could not.
Minta kasih kung ka member jong kapod, kan bagi officer ibadah jong di department, am sendiri department. Iwan naksi nakabanta panya follow up hakabade ka monitoring but inspection to ba iwan ki project ko prepare jongka state ki balong ki project pakam dan kam pakam kabade pat keting pen suk dia ki pai ba de kuwe ni ki di ta ki bangi la shin an ka por dolong menta kasi jong lor jongka ni ka Surok nado na Shillong kabaya lembak sherpi mer namta kasan mer balhadu angni ha nyog mer ya dok menta de Surok balik itu sa dauki lembaka melim di kajing wan jongi menta kasi ya kanesh ka project kiwi ki Surok ki ba la propose bat ki barangnya ngin nangya ki por ki si ki wan nama kajing pamlawan pedap menta kasi show kiwi ngiyo kajing wan jungo jungi mentah kabede berkenik inspection ikani ka Surok kalong ba haka banengkong for bala ai ti ka kam seki kontraktor lembaka department lembaka NHDCL ngiyo ba kam ka ya step man re hadin pada ngiyo ba ka kam kala ya suki do ta di wat lada ka kum kapor balabu nakaliang jong department kalong asnam man Pyndep project di hendrai ngipet bat ni semua nakaliang jong ki ini kita monitor ya ka
Sorry, it is.
ini ke projek lembaga NHDCL yang bahpo na Desember kin laban Pyndep jadi projek.
Yeah, some.
Ndai ni bakal kum kejing tray idon kejing Artatien. Dewala kataru ngi ba nakalin ni kila ai kejing Kular baki Pyndep po ni senam pemerintah. Ngi pat ni snor kunju aka jo ko di katu kan tili kejing ek ki kendu aka baki hap up ya ki wing baki kam ki beri nakaliang jong ka PhD department. Kam tam kani ke bypass ke beri nadu na Saumer Steng adu angki apo jan jong ka jaka ka badi so halai mer ketu ka stage ka longba kanu ka benta ka beri ban PhD department ha ka bak kam di ban Pyndep nakaliang jong PhD department kitu kilong kijing jungo tingin sa lagi jong ki observation nakaliang jongi ha ka beri ban kri ka jing wan jungo padalong full ndai ingin hapan examine nakaliang jong ka board mat ban ai ki recommendation nakaliang jongi Dekin dekin so ke jinglap ka jing siam jongi mentak si balai ngi siam nukong ai kan Surok lamar ki pai ba ki dong sung sinong jong ni ka dong ka thai ka long west cassius south west cassius eastern west cassius nang ta ki than east cassius zu ki badi na ki than sora chela penusla dauki ba tung tak tak ki kendu sibun ba ke jing e ke jing e ka ki kendu ka long ba jan man kesni mengaruh long way ni kita dunia ya ke Surok sini dan man kesni kamu lakun kum nuan nang ni hadu ang teo sirpi dan hadu ang point sikenta setengah kanta kamu hablu stretch belong tang kamu nyol ni prak limita ding su makan ni kalong ko ka benta ka bangi hab ya ka ban Metbah sila dadon ke jing ka ba way ni ar ya kendu dan de dinda kam de belong pat yo ko aja ko ya ko lawan mengsi kita kalong way ka jing lap ka di siam jungi bagi ya interaksi toy pada kalong mengi kendiat ka be di batal komtre ki de mengi dai page mentasi nganget skam nakaliang jong ke department lu page bagi don kam ya ka bakin haban rectify kam tam ya ka feeling ka bat mai ka don markup bar ka tu ka kejingking ke ba don hapo syapi nanti ka bang ui ba ka don kejing syapi wat nakalian nging im da sngo ong batai hadu ka tai ka technical part jong kajing tei ya kan Surok ndrei ki besar ki badi na department kila menjur nakalian jong representative badi nakalian jong SDCL ru menjur ka badi kan ba kila ong ba kin pra ya ka to kila pan yang kema kikat tu kan ni dia kibenta ngi lalap si ila jengok ngin sanang syong pun kebut ban ai ya ka strong recommendation aga beri pat kadi ka jing trai kan Surok bat ke jing trai ki project haki por ki ban sawa idon ru ki benta ki bangi yo ban jengok mentasi ko wei ke junction patmai link road nang tin po Saumer ke junction Saumer Steng balik Saumer Steng ke junction ha kaban lek sya kaban ya tunduk ya ka lau sutun sapo farm ila turun ko ka benta ka ki la propose kalian ka department ka ba kan hap ya leng ba ka Kloi jong ka forest hadu banyak stai ba long hadu ka no hektar su ka jong ka forest area ka ba lada bit kabyang kita hap na itis jadi gini ke kesu nakalian ingin bersang banpet ni pan ajimut kum ka jingdon ke jingiti nakalian kabut ka rule jong kabut kalau man ai recommendation syaka state